हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त सागर और मैं लाया हूं एक और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एसे 505 दैट इज एक्सटर्नल confirmation. Please note this question. In fact, there are three questions applicable for CA intermediate as well as CA final exam. Question 1, that is procedure of external confirmation. Question 2, factor to be considered in design or drafting confirmation request. And third, areas covered in external confirmation, or we can say where we can use external confirmation. Question 1, procedure of external confirmation. Procedure of external confirmation request is design sends follow up. Is design sends follow up. Identifying matters to be confirmed. Selection of appropriate confirming party. Designing confirmation request properly addressed and containing information for responses. Sending the request, taking follow up and remind if response is not received. I am repeating again, is design sends follow up, identifying, selection, designing, sending follow up. Question second, factor to be considered in designing or drafting confirmation request. Answer is risk of material misstatement, management authorization, ability of confirming party, assertions, method of communication, nature of matter to be confirmed, layout and presentation to be adopted by auditor. Question third, areas where external confirmation request is used. The keyword is RIP bill pay karo. RIP bill pay karo. First, account receivable balances, investment purchase but delivery not taken, account payable balances, property title deeds held by third party, property title deeds held by third party, bank balance and other information from bankers, inventory held by third party, loan from lenders, long outstanding share application money. I am repeating again three of questions. Question 1 was procedure of external confirmation. The key code is design sends follow up. Identifying, selection, designing, sending follow up. Second question, factor to be considered in designing or drafting confirmation request. And third is areas where external confirmation is used. RIP bill pay karo. Receivable, investment, payable, property, bank balance, inventory, loan from lender or long outstanding share application money. Please note guys. Thank you friends. All the best.